Imagine growing up in poverty with limited opportunities, facing racism and discrimination at every turn, but never giving up on your dreams. Then you defy all the odds to become a self-made millionaire.
Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living.
Hey family, what's up? Are you ready to be inspired? If yes, we are going to take a glimpse into the life of the richest Jamaican woman. Have you ever heard of Dr. Tricia Bailey? If not, prepared to be inspired by her rags to riches journey. This remarkable businesswoman has defied all odds and became a self-made billionaire in the United States. In this video, we will delve into Tricia Bailey's incredible story and learn from her wisdom as we explore her humble origins, her rise to success, and her philanthropic endeavors. So get ready to be amazed by her resilience, determination, and unwavering commitment to making a difference in the world. So sit back, relax, and prepared to be inspired. This is the story of Tricia Bailey, a woman who proves that anything is possible if you never give up on your dreams. Tricia Bailey is an extremely successful businesswoman who has built a fortune worth over $1 billion US. Yes, she is a billionaire. Her story began in Jamaica, where she grew up in a poverty-stricken household in the community of Woodlawn in St. Elizabeth. Tricia grew up in a house without electricity or running water, and she used to walk 7 miles to school every day. However, when she was 13, her mother moved to the US and took her and her sister along. While living in the USA, she had her fair share of challenges while attending high school and college, but she overcame them as she pressed forward, keeping her goal in mind. In her book, Unbroken, she tells her story of how she experienced sexual trauma after moving to the United States. And she also opened up about how she overcame poverty, depression, and suicide before building her fortune through her entrepreneurial exploit in the medical field. Tricia Bailey's journey from poverty to prosperity is an someone of the power of perseverance and pursuing your dreams relentlessly. Her autobiography, Unbroken, shed light on her incredible story of triumph over adversity. She explained that the inspiration to write her book came through her journey of aspiring to become greater than what she was born into and what the normal would normally look like for a Black woman. She stated that she just wanted to show them that regardless of whatever challenges there are, and believe you me, she had many, regardless of where you are, regardless of the pain that you might be feeling, you can overcome and reach the stage that she is today. Bailey also shared in her book that she was in a coma for 8 days because she attempted suicide. Incidentally, this was a major turning point in her life because it was out of this situation that her company, Bailey's Medical Supplies, was formed. Education was always priority for Miss Bailey, and so she dedicated herself to acquiring knowledge and skill, earning multiple degrees and certificates in fields related to her entrepreneurial endeavors. This thirst for learning would prove to be instrumental in her future success. She started out as a stockbroker before making her first million at the age of 35. Then she ventured into selling medical equipment and supplies. And then after that, she ventured into commercial real estate market. Trisha Bailey faced numerous hurdles along her entrepreneurial journey, including racism and limited access to opportunities. But instead of letting these obstacles deter her, she used them as fuel to create her own path. Bailey started her business, Bailey's Medical Equipment and Supplies, which specializes in providing essential medical equipment to hospital and healthcare facilities. She turned this business into a thriving enterprise through sheer determination and an unwavering focus on her goals. Now, Bailey's Medical Equipment and Supplies expanded to include pharmacies in several states, solidifying Tricia Bailey as one of the wealthiest Black women in the United States. Her success not only brought financial prosperity, but also shattered stereotypes and paved the way for other Black female entrepreneurs to thrive. Tricia Bailey's entrepreneurial spirit extended beyond the realms of medical equipment and supplies. And she has diversified her investments, venturing into the lucrative world of real estate. Bailey owns commercial properties in Florida, including the largest equestrian farm in the state. Additionally, she is half owner of an island off the coast of Jamaica that she plans to develop into a world-class resort. And she also owns commercial and residential real estate properties stretching from the US to Jamaica. Dr. Bailey currently owns 15 companies and has been an entrepreneur now for over 20 years. She is the first Black woman to own commercial real estate in the prestigious towns of Vero Beach and Edgewood in Florida. Recently, the University of Connecticut bestowed the student body with a state-of-the-art facility named after Tricia Bailey. The facility was named the Bailey's Student Athlete Success Center. This momentum experience resulted in Dr. Bailey becoming the first Black person to be honored with a building on the campus of the University of Connecticut. In terms of her wealth, her net worth is approximately $1 billion US, and her lifestyle matches that of the rich and the famous, and she enjoys spending time with her children. Bailey fulfilled her childhood dream of owning a private jet and is currently investing in real estate in Jamaica. Despite her immense success, she remains humble and believes in giving back, and she has donated substantial sums to various causes, including sending Caribbean children to university and providing millions of meals during the pandemic. She believes that education is crucial for transforming Jamaica and suggests that the government should invest in it. So, if Tricia Bailey's story has taught us anything, it is that with unwavering determination, a strong work ethic, and the courage to overcome any obstacle, success is within reach. Her journey serves as a beacon of hope for anyone facing adversities and showcases the incredible potential that lies within each and every one of us. So, if you have made it this far, thanks for watching and thanks for joining me on this inspiring journey. We hope that Dr. Bailey's story has motivated you to pursue your dreams with unwavering determination. Stay tuned for the next inspiring video.